What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to take a look at STACKS or STX coin. It was recently listed on Coinbase, and I've been a fan of this project for a while. I've covered it on the channel before. It and City Coins doing big things when it comes to city-based cryptocurrencies and taxes. Really interesting. You should definitely look into it. I'm not going to go into any of that stuff during this video because we're strictly going to jump right into the charts. So go ahead and smash the like button and, of course, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Let's dive right into the charts, guys. Like I said, I am not going to waste any time. We're just going to jump right on into it. And Stacks really has not really seen a big major move on this news, right? STX coin still consolidating here sort of sideways on the daily chart. We are resting on our support here currently. If we take a look at it and zoom in on this, not really resting on it, but basically trading off sideways into our uptrend, right? Our uptrend is being projected from back here in the price action. And if we take a look at the daily time frame and our EMAs, we are barely holding support above our EMA. So really, STX coin not really seeing a big Coinbase effect pump just yet. It may be, of course, trading won't happen until, of course, the liquidity is met on the exchange. And I myself have not looked into that to see if it's actually trading yet on Coinbase Pro. But you know, that may be something, a factor there, something to do with it. If it has not began trading just yet, since it was just listed today, I believe it was today, the 19th, I believe. I could be wrong, but I believe it was the 19th that this was listed. And, you know, the liquidity has to be met on the exchange before they will allow trading. So it may not actually be trading on Coinbase Pro just yet. And once it does start to trade on Coinbase Pro, that's when you might see the pump happen, or sometimes in some cases you do see a quick pump and then a dump after a coin is listed on Coinbase. So with it newly listing on Coinbase today, I would just be very cautious here, guys. But it is holding support, and I've had a target in here for STX coin for a while, and I've got resistance levels here to look at. So if we do get that nice pump once trading begins, we could expect possibly the fact that, you know, you're holding this support pretty nicely. You could expect a nice bounce up to test your resistance. Now, obviously, you have been getting knocked down pretty hard. You've got a lot of candle closes here. It's very odd to see this. I mean, you are really getting just hammered down every time you try to go up. That's a little confusing to me because, you know, typically you don't really see that happen unless there's some other factor at play other than just trading. You know, trading, you don't typically see that happen, but it is all up here near your resistance. So that could be what it is, just the fact that, you know, you are coming up to these resistance levels and then getting pushed back down by that resistance, right? You did break above it here. You did actually come up above your previous highs right here. You wicked up very high, but got knocked down pretty quickly. Now, if we take a look at this, like I said, if you get that nice pump, I would expect us to come up and test our resistance up here. That's going to put you up about $2.70. So I'd say about $2.70 for resistance. Depending on what happens, you could fill this out a little bit more and then break out of this pattern. Unless there's enough momentum behind the pump, enough volume on Coinbase to get it to pump up above that, you could break out sooner. But either way, we have targets to look at. This target would get you all the way up in the longer term around $4.95 to $5 for stacks. Now, you also have your resistance right here. That's going to be at about $4.30. But I'm just saying I would be cautious, guys, because like I said, sometimes you might see a quick little move up and then a dump after a Coinbase listing. So just be cautious with this, especially with it testing the EMAs like it is trying to break below its EMAs. You could come down to test this support at about $1.92. But if that breaks, you could come all the way back down to test your EMA at about $1.65. That actually lines you up with some of this previous resistance from back here. That would likely be support down here. So that's going to be right there around $1.95, or excuse me, $1.65 to $1.70, not $1.95. $1.65 to $1.70 would be the area I'd look to if we break that uptrend, right? And then a nice quick bounce out of that could get you right back above the uptrend. This would all play as resistance. If you break that support is going to put you at about $1.82. Hope you guys enjoy this quick update on Stacks or STX coin. Like I said, it is really an interesting project. You should definitely look into it if you have not yet. If you're just now finding out about Stacks because of it being listed on Coinbase, then you should definitely look into it because It's a very interesting project. And another cool thing to look into would be averagejoecrypto.io. It's our community-driven meme coin project here at the channel. Check it out. Have a great day. See you in the next video.